guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and here's my sidekick,
Ashlyn.
And today we are here to unbox my April Young Living Essential Rewards order. For those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company. However, they have lots of other different products too. They have skincare products, they have makeup products, they have a whole line of products for babies, a men's line, they have health and wellness and supplements and all kinds of stuff. So we've been using Young Living for over 4 years and we really like it. And so this box today is a little bit smaller because it has a lot of essential oils in it. We didn't order our normal Ningxia Red because we got really well stocked up on it last month. So we're gonna get right into the box and we're gonna show you what we got. First thing Ashlyn pulls out is your packing slip, and so I wanna take a real quick peek at that. Okay, so we're gonna leave that down here so we can make sure we got everything that we were supposed to get this month. All right, Ashlyn, go ahead and pull the first thing out. The first thing we have is the Lavender Bath and Shower Gel. I've tried the Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel and I like it. It's really minty and refreshing, but I always gravitate and go back to the Lavender Bath and Shower Gel. I like to use this to shave my legs, and I just really like it. I like the smell of it. We've got lots of tubes in our box because we have a lot of essential oils this month. So Ashlyn's gonna pick up one of the tubes and she's gonna go ahead and open it up. Let's see, what's the first one? Oh, it's a brand new one. So the first oil we have is Energy. And so I have a pretty good oil collection, but I'm always trying to get like additional oils to add to our collection. So let's take a minute and smell this because I've never smelled it. Let's see what's in it real quick. Ashlyn, you hold that. All right, so Energy has rosemary, nutmeg, black pepper, juniper, Idaho balsam fir, lemongrass, and clove. And it says Energy is a revitalizing blend of pure rosemary, juniper, lemongrass, and other essential oils that has an uplifting and energizing aroma. And I've always been kind of curious about this essential oil, so we're gonna open it up. We're gonna tell you what we think. I'm not sure how it's gonna smell.
I'm really nervous to do this.
Do you like the smell of that? Let me smell it again. I feel like I smell a lot of the lemongrass in there.
I think it smells like lavender.
You think it smells like lavender? I think it smells like it's got lemongrass in there. So Ashlyn, if you want to put that back there. I'm curious to kind of like try it when I'm working out and stuff like that to see what I think about it. So, but it doesn't smell bad. It just smells a lot like lemongrass. So what's the next thing in the tube?
Orange.
Oh, we love orange, don't we, Ashlyn? So orange, we like to diffuse it. It's perfect for spring and summer. So go ahead and put that back there.
We got orange in our last one, and I knew that it said orange because I learned at my school.
Yeah, she knows how to read the word orange and she's proud of herself. So let's see, is there anything else in that tube right there? Oh, one more. Let's see what it is. Oh, okay. It is the Grapefruit Vitality, and so for those of you who don't know, these essential oils that are in the white label are labeled that way for internal consumption, and so you can add this to food and drink and things like that. I like to use the Grapefruit Vitality Essential Oil to put a couple drops in my Ningxia Red shot in the morning because it just tastes good and it's good for supporting your health and your weight loss and things like that. So Ashlyn, if you'll put that back there. Okay, what's next? Another tube. That one's probably empty, isn't it?
Let me check. Yep.
It's empty, okay. It's a little tube. Wonder what's in that one. Do you need help? You might try the other end, yeah. These tubes can be a little tricky sometimes, can't they? She likes to open up the stuff, don't you?
Open them all, come on.
Let me help you. Okay.
There's a big one in there.
Oh, okay, I see what it is. Okay, show them what it is.
I don't know.
It's the Deep Relief Roll-On. This had been out of stock for quite a while, so Deep Relief, let me share what's in it. It's one of their already made roll-ons. Okay, so the Deep Relief Roll-On has peppermint, coconut oil, Idaho balsam fir, clove, vetiver, wintergreen, lemon, helichrysum, copaiba, dorado, azul. And this is just really great for those times when you need some support with some head tension or something like that. But because it was out of stock, I really wanted to make sure I got another one. So go ahead and put that there. All right, what's next?
That was it.
Okay.
This one's a long
Another
one.
tube. Let's see.
Oh, the other side.
So the next thing we have, oh, this is a new one. This is Vetiver. Show them Vetiver. I think this was one of the free essential oils that came because we spent over 190 NPV value. So we've never had Vetiver, so let's smell it. They say this is really good for sleep support, so I'm curious what it smells like. I know what I think it smells like. You tell me what you think it smells like. She doesn't like this. You don't like the smell?
I'm never smelling that again.
It reminds me of wood. I don't know why, but it was a freebie for this month, so.
I do not like it.
Okay, what's next in our tube?
Oh, knocked it over. There's one at the bottom.
Oh, this is another freebie. And this is Clary Sage. So we're getting to smell all kinds of new stuff this month. So show them Clary Sage. And from what I understand, Clary Sage is a good essential oil to support women's needs, maybe. That might be the best way to say that. So let's smell it. I don't know what that smells like.
This is our second purple one.
You like the purple bottles? It smells kind of florally, but I'm not sure. So I'm going to see what it says about Clary Sage real quick. It says Clary Sage has an herbaceous aroma that is believed to create a calm and relaxing environment. So that was another freebie. What's next, Ashlyn?
Wait,
Let's see what it is. Oh, Bergamot. Yeah, I forgot that I ordered Bergamot. This is a new one for us too. So you want to smell that one?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's smell that one. This is in a lot of the spring diffusing blends. Smells good.
It reminds me of like love.
This reminds me of lemon.
Like it makes me think about wood.
Makes you think about wood. It's a citrus oil, so it should make you think about lemons and oranges and things like that. But to me, it smells a lot like lemon. Okay, we've got one more tube left, and then I'll show you. We did get a couple of items with our essential rewards points that we've earned. Okay, let's see what's that. Thieves. And we get Thieves all year round to help support our health and wellness. It does have more of a fall or winter scent, but we just like to keep it on hand just in case. You never know when you're going to need it. And next in a tube, probably have two more in there, don't we?
Oh,
Whoa.
One came flying out.
And one came flying out.
I think I want to do this one.
Yep. This is Tangerine. So this is Tangerine. We have Tangerine, but we were getting a little low. So with all the spring and summer diffuser blends, I went ahead and ordered another bottle of Tangerine. And the last essential oil that we have is...
Peppermint.
Oh yes, peppermint. We love peppermint.
I can't hold it right.
It's great for the lavender, lemon, and peppermint seasonal diffusing blend. It's another one that we keep on hand all year round, and we were getting a little low, so we had to go ahead and stock back up on that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what we got with our essential rewards points. I bank up my points, and then occasionally when I think, oh, I need something, I go ahead and I get something with my points. So my husband, he likes this Shutran beard oil. And so he was getting low, so I decided to go ahead and order that for him. And he already broke into it, so it was already out of the bag. And then there's one tube.
One
I
tube.
ordered an essential oil with my points. I figured if I was going to get him that, I might as well go ahead and order something
That
else.
was the only one that was in there. I was expecting 2 in there.
And this is the Grapefruit Essential Oil, and that's another one. In my last video, I shared a lot of diffusing blends, and they had a lot of the citrus, like the grapefruit and the lime and the lemon and things like that. So we went ahead and got stocked back up on that. So we got the Vetiver and the Clary Sage for free this month. So as you can see, we got quite a few items this month, and we love Young Living and we love their products, so we really enjoy getting our Essential Rewards order sent to us monthly. The good thing about Essential Rewards is that you are only obligated to spend $50, and you can pick and choose your items as you see fit. So if you have any questions about Young Living, feel free to leave those questions in the comment boxes below, and I'll leave my membership number in the description box, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys.